I continue, I will try to put them in the edges there, here and here. Oh, it's warm in here. Smells like this stuff. Good, good, good. How is this one? Little bit of cracking, which whatever. Oh, a bit cold. But this is almost dry. And this is almost dry. And this looks like it is not dry. I don't know. We have some humidity, of course. Temperature 8, 7, 7. Humidity. We have some forgotten onions that needs to be moved with some garlic. Now I have to carry this. I'm here again. Do we take this one? Or this one? Or maybe that one? Size check. 15. This maybe 13. And this, how much? Are you tiny or are you big? 14. When a frozen cucumber. So squishy. And I will harvest those already. How cute and colorful. Only a few and my fingers are frozen. But we have a worm passing by. Going to a party. Oop, I scared the worm. Or is it late? So it has to hurry. And that's gonna be it. And I got some help. We have some new stuff around here. So I can put some small appliances. We have these at last. This is still open, but we'll close it. Oh wow, we have some serious weight from this wall. Into here. Well, I thought it is just that, but it is the whole thing. Anyways, but this is dry. It looks like so. So I have to do all of those. Not now. I'll be doing some plastering here because I want it to be covered. There is this dirt that keeps falling, which I want to get rid of it. You might have to cover this a bit more. This is fine though. These are all fine. Also, that kitty stolen my jacket again. But also has one layer of lime. It has to dry in. We are going. Of course, kitty knows. I'll see ya.